tubangan ang likod mo dito.
Ganun pa ako dito.
Spicy Canton. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Adela Mix Vlog. Ayan, ito ang aming food mga guys. Spicy Canton with boiled egg. This is my breakfast. This is my breakfast today. Please subscribe and share. That is the black pepper. And guys, this is the lemon, orange juice.
Mango?
Mango juice. This is boiled egg, mga guys. You know how to crack like this, guys. See? It's hot now. So I cannot remove it, Ella. Lina, can you crack the egg, please? I show you, mga guys, how to remove the skin. That's boiled egg. Good job, Elena. It's nice. Very good. Thank you very much. Huh? Can you give me this minute? How to put this? And can you put it
na ba?
Just I know. I speak
Lagay mo
English.
kaya doon.
Speak English because this video is this is public and all the world, whole world,
All over the world.
all over the world. This video, so we need to speak English. And guys, see, ready to eat now. See guys, this is egg. Then remove the skin. And see, this is Elena. Yan. Eat mo guys. What happened, Joseph?
Away na naman sila.
Nag-fight na sila guys.
May kamay pa yan. Baliktad dito, no? Matanda ako tumatango sa bata.
Siyempre, mamukha po kang bata kung patulan pa niya. Almost done na mga guys, oh. Yes, guys. But it's not good if you're always eating this one. So, like, once a month lang, guys. And guys, see. This is for you niya. The rest for you. Yan.
Itlog mo.
Akin ba ito? One more egg, guys. Tanawa, wala bang?
Paabot dito.